Welcome back to another video. Glad you could join me today as we wing our way through the snow, heading towards Luton. We're going to do a flight of stairs today, just a quick job. One flight of stairs and make our way back out of the snow. So without further ado, let's have a look at the job. First thing you got to do is measure up the stairs, and then we'll get down and start cutting up the carpet for the stairs. Today we're just doing a straight flight of stairs. But now that we've cut the stairs with our trusty hook knife, let's start fitting. We're using old grippers on this. We've just put down fresh underlay. So because of that, we're going to use a touch of adhesive just to help secure the carpet on the stairs. I should line the carpet up and then grab my stair tool and we'll start fitting. You'll notice I'm making sure that these sides are well tucked in. And we're just about done with this one now. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.